The important thing here, I think, is our belief that eventually the virtual machine, the VM, and the operating system have to work exceptionally well together. That means they have to be engineered together. It doesn't mean that our VM will not take non-Oracle guests. Our VM will run, for example, Solaris. Our VM will run, for example, Microsoft Windows. But it is extremely useful that our VM have the same set of management tools as our operating systems. It makes it easier for you to deploy, it makes it easier for you to patch, and it makes it easier for you to run every day, lowering your costs and dramatically improving the overall reliability and performance of the system. This is the new machine that we built in collaboration with Sun. It's called Exadata version 2. And Exadata version 2 runs Oracle Enterprise Linux and Intel microprocessors. Exadata version 2 is a specialized machine that runs the Oracle database faster than any other machine in the world, a lot faster. Whether your application load is data warehousing or your application load is online transaction processing, in either case, this machine will run it much faster and much more reliably. And oh, by the way, it's completely fault tolerant. If a database server should fail, it keeps running a little bit slower. If a storage server should fail, it keeps running maybe a little bit slower, but it keeps running. There is no single point of failure in this system. Why are we faster? We're faster because we have a grid architecture. We're able to take lots and lots of processors and throw it at the problem. We think grid architecture is the future. It allows you to start small and grow as you need more capacity. Just plug in another storage server, plug in another database server. The grid architecture is easily expandable. It's pre-configured. This is very different than you deciding to buy a disk array. You, from EMC or NetApps, buying a switch from Brocade or Cisco, buying a server from IBM or whomever, picking an operating system, picking a database, picking a VM, picking different, and assembling all of these separate components together into a working, reliable, manageable, upgradable system. We've done all of that for you. Thus storage, both disk and flash, the network, 40 gig InfiniBand, the database servers with memory, with an operating system, with the database, with compression, with security, all built in, all pre-configured, all tuned. Just plug it in, load your data, and start to run. We want to bring together our support system in the cloud, if you will, called My Oracle Support, with our support system that is on-premise for all of our customers, called Oracle Enterprise Manager. We want to unify those two systems. We think by doing that, we'll be able to provide dramatically better support than an on-premise system or a cloud system could ever do by itself. We understand that our customers have an enormous investment in existing Siebel applications, e-business suite applications, JD Edwards applications, PeopleSoft applications. A huge investment and commitment to those technologies. And we're going to continue to enhance those applications for the next decade and beyond. We're absolutely committed to doing that.